Hi guys, welcome to Car and Bikes Guide. This is the Seltos latest X-Line edition. So Kia has recently launched. This is the first look of the car, and you can see the major change is the glossy piano black grille, and below is the red accent. This is a full LED headlamp and LED turn indicators. This is the LED fog lamps. This is a new Kia badging. And this is the LED headlamp, LED indicator. This is the LED fog lamps. Here is the major change, is the new 18-inch alloy wheel which is fitted in X-Line Kia Seltos, and this is the matte finish in X-Line variant. This is the auto badging, it means that it is the automatic variant. This is the piano black finish of the ORVM turn indicators. So here is a chrome garnish on the door handles, and this is a chrome strip which is going towards at the end, and it looks very stylish and funky. And you can see the side profile of the vehicle, it looks like this. So this here is a black cladding and on the red accent, which is also looking beautiful. And you can see here is the back which is full LED tail lamps, and you can see the X-Line badging here. And here below the rear parking sensors, rear diffuser with piano black finish and red accent is given at every angle. Now let's open the boot of the Kia Seltos X-Line. So this is a 433 liters of boot space, and here is the boot lamp is available, and this is a subwoofer by Boss. And below that, this is a spare wheel tire, and toolkit is available. And here is the sections of the tire, 215 by 60 R17 radial tire. And here is the wiper defogger. Here is the stop lamp, shark fin antenna. So you can see the full side profile of the car. And here is the fuel cap. This is the petrol variant. So here is the full exterior look of the X-Line Kia Seltos. Now let's go to the interior. So nothing much change in the interior, it's all same as present in the GT line. So you can see there is a black combination of black and navy blue has been given in the interior by the company. Here is the new logo on the steering wheel of the Kia Seltos X-Line. So here is the placement of the Bose music system. So build quality is quite fine, but not a 5-star. This is a 3-star rating. Kia Seltos. This is a 10.25 touchscreen infotainment display. This is the analog plus digital MID display. Here are the audio controls here, and here are the cruise control. So this is the steering wheel of the Kia Seltos X-Line. Here are the pedal shifters. This is for downshift, and this is for upshift. Here are the controls for the headlights and indicators. Here are the controls of the headlights and indicators, and here are for the wiper control. And you can see here is the center air con vents, and this is the auto climate control button. So here is a 7-speed DCT, and you can see there is a manual mode also. You can switch, when you switch to more manual, you can use the paddle shifters. Beneath the compartments, you can see the charging ports here. So this is the soft touch material, and here is the hard plastic. So this is the glove box of the X-Line. So front seats are ventilated. Here is the cup holder. Here is the handbrake. So here is the under front armrest storage. So here is the auto dim our IRVM mirror. So there is no vanity mirror on the driver's side. There is a vanity mirror on the co-passenger side. So here are the LED front lamps. So here is the normal sunroof. There is no panoramic sunroof available in Kia Seltos. So this is the front interior of the Kia Seltos, and the seats are leatherite. Stitching are very amazing. You can see this is a navy blue color of the seats, and seats are quite comfortable and it looks stunning. Let's go to the back. So here we are at the second row, and the legroom is too much. The front seat is adjusts to my driving position, and there is ample legroom at the back. Here are window blinds as well. Here at the back, here is a holder. You can hold your hands here. So this is the power window control. So here is the leather stitching on the side pads. This looks premium. And here is the Bose speakers as well. Here are the LED lamps at the back. So here is the Bose music system as well. So here is the window blind here too. Like this. It's good. So here are the three headrests available. This is a rear central armrest with cup holders. Seats are quite comfortable. 3 people can sit very well at the back. Here are the rear AC convents. Charging cable are here. You can put your phone in this space. So here is a full look of the Kia Seltos X-Line. This is the full dashboard look. You can see it's quite awesome. So here is a sunroof. You can see that this is a full sunroof which is open. This is not a panoramic roof. So headroom is also very good here. So all seats are leatherite seats. It's amazing. So this is a full look of the Kia Seltos X-Line.